Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel. So in this video I am going to show you the workout 2 that is on Power BI. So one of the subscriber have posted this workout. So the input table consists of 4 columns: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Those are the quantities, and 3 types of quantities will be there. One is the small, second one is medium, and other one is the large. So in each quantity under subcategory of quantities, that is small, medium, large, so we should be knowing the percentage contribution of each subcategory quantity under the each column. That means under Q1 how much percentage has been small quantities has been occurred, and under medium how many medium has been occurred, and under large how many large quantities has been occurred. So all those things should be in percentage. So Q1 will be having small, medium, large, so these things, and finally if we sum up the individual percentage of the subcategory quantities, it should be showing 100%. So finally this is the output in Power BI. So you see here Q1 is having large, medium, small, and each one will be having their own contribution in percentage, and finally 100%. Similarly for Q2 also it is having percentage: larger, 2 large and 1 small. So like this. So now if you go into the execution, so for that one what we need to do is that we need to prepare some data. So see, Q1 column is having these 3, Q2 column is having these 3, Q3 column is having these 3, Q4 column is having these 3. And after that what I need to do is I need to go to the new column and create the count of the Q1 column. So as there are totally 3 quantities under Q1 column, so 3 will be there. So this is the DAX function to write that to calculate the count of that total quantities under Q1. So count of table of Q1. So automatically if you give count inside that, the column under the table will be printed automatically. So this is the thing. And if after that we need to calculate the count of a Q2. So the formula for that one is count of Q2 is equal to count of table of Q2. So for count of Q3 we need to count table of Q3, and similarly for count of Q4, count of table of Q4. So these are the things we need to do in the new column under this data table. So if you go to the visualization, so now after that what I have done is I have dragged a table and into that one. So I have formatted this table, and that is a style, and I have dragged this Q1 column to this values, and Q2, Q3, Q4. So Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So those are the values given there. And after that, so we will be having that count of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 that we have done in that data table. And after that I have created a measure, that is sum of row wise count of Q1 is equal to sum of table of count of Q1. So that is table of count of Q1. So count of Q1 is 3. So that one I have calculated, and similarly I have calculated for sum of row wise count of Q2, that is equal to sum of table of count of Q2. And similarly third one, sum of row wise count of Q3 is equal to sum of table of count of Q3, that is count of Q3 under table. Similarly sum of row wise count of Q4, these are the measures, is equal to sum of a table of count of Q4. So count of Q4 under table. So after that, if we apply this measure, only we will be getting the sum of those count of a prescribed column under the table, but we need to get the percentage. So for that one, what we need to do is we need to drag to the table like this, and click on this arrow mark, and he will be having an option called as show value as, and you by default you will be getting this no calculation, but we need to select percentage of grand total. So for all the four things, that is the sum of a row wise count of Q1, Q2, similarly Q3, so Q4, what we have created here the measure. So for all those things I have done the show value as percentage grand total. So see here for this one also, show value as percentage grand total. So by that way you can find the percentage contribution of each quantity for each column. So see here, the large quantity under Q1 has contributed 33.33%, medium 33.33%, small 33.33%. If you sum up all those things, you will be getting automatically 100%. So in terms of numeric, 1 by third, 1 by third, 1 by third. So that means as there are totally 3 quantities under Q1, that becomes 3 in the denominator. As large is only occurred once, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is this one. Similarly medium occurred once, 1 by 3. Small has occurred only once, 1 by 3 for Q1. Similarly if you look at Q2, so large, again 3 quantities were there, but large has occurred 2 times. So 2 by 3 will be the occurrence for that large, and small is only once, 1 by 3. So we are not having medium, so it is having 0 value. So again, so this individual large is having 1 by 3, this large is having 1 by 3, and this small is having 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3, 100%, and 1 by 3 is 33.33%. Similarly for Q3 also same, small is contributing 1 time, medium is contributing 1 time, large is contributing 1 time, and totally we are having 3 quantities. And similarly for Q4, large is contributing 1 time, small is contributing 1 time, medium is contributing 1 time. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, totally 100%. So this is how you calculate the contribution individually in Power BI. So if you like this video, please share it, comment it, and subscribe it finally. Thank you so much.